If a medication that once worked wonders seems like it's not doing much to help anymore, you're probably not imagining it. With drugs like antidepressants, symptoms can return, especially if you've been taking them for a long time.
It's because that part of your brain has become dormant and the neurons are no longer firing on all their cylinders to become receptive to the antidepressants.
When it comes to anxiety and depression, researchers traced functional abnormalities to a specific area of the brain.
This part of the brain is what correlates with the depression and the motor cortex.
And once the technician locates your motor cortex,
there's an algorithm that moves 55 millimeters forward on the same plane. Our computer helps us with a STEM guide. And that is your treatment location, which we call the hotspot.
Everyone's hotspot is unique.
It is specific to the patient and how they respond to the single pulse mode.
While the process might sound complicated, the non-invasive procedure is quick and easy.
You're in the office about 10 minutes. Some people like to talk. We discuss what is your plans for the day. It's kind of getting into a routine again. And you'd be surprised by how much a routine can help somebody.
This form of therapy requires consistency, with patients coming in 5 days a week for 6 weeks, missing no more than 4 days in a row.
There's something that the synapses in your brain, we'll remap you. If like someone has gotten COVID before, we just remap you and we'll continue with the therapy. If you're not consistent, it will not work. You have to come.
According to Ashley, the process is slow and the signs of improvement will happen gradually.
I think people are looking for instant gratification, but I tell them it takes time. Your brain has been dormant for so long. Think about it. If you've been depressed for 20 years, it's going to take more than 5 minutes to come back.
So if you're longing for the drive to get up in the morning, lack the energy to make yourself breakfast, or miss the desire to go out with friends during your free time, TMS could improve your
quality of life.
For Arnot Health, I'm Lexi Cutmore.